recording this video so I can send it to the group. This is a trading view. So I'm going to show you how to use everything from here. Now let's start with this point. You see Euro USD. This is where you can search for currency. Now if you tap here, you can see all the currency pairs here. You search any currency pair you want. Let's search for example GBP JPY. If you search GBP JPY now, you see say different GBP JPY appear here. Now all are the same thing. I just different companies where they run. You get, but all are the same thing, the same setup, everything. So personally, if I want to analyze, I like using this FXCM. I like use the FXCM or Oando one. For example, if you enter this Oando now, the same setup you see here in Oando. If you go to another different one, this is Oando. Let's go to FXCM. The same setup, everything, nothing changed. You get, everything are the same. So this is where you set your currency pair here. This is where you set your currency pair. Then after here you can see numbers here. These are your time frame where you can select your time frame. We have 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. If you tap this small arrow here, no worry, you go see them for the video. Come down. If you scroll come down, you'll see different time frame. The reason why this one show here, this 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours, daily, weekly, monthly, is because I added them as favorite. Now why didn't they show here? Even though they know will show here. If I add another one now, they will show. You get? That's that for this one. This one is time frame. And over to this one, candles. If you tap here, you can see different candles. If you tap here, you can see different candles. You go see bar, you go see candles, you see Olo candle. Now, my tap on Olo candle, you go see how it go be. See Olo candle here. You go see them for yourself, say the candles and get hold. You don't see them now. You go see them for the video. That's that for that one. This is a line chart. For some people, they use line chart. You see line chart now. But me, I like using normal candles here. I like using normal candle, which is this one here. And after this one, the next thing we have here is indicator. Indicator here, these are people analysis for people strategies rather. For example, now these people don't do the forex space for a long time now. You get, so they just feel their analysis is right or correct. You get, so they program and put for trading view. They say if you use any of these indicators. I say once you select any of these indicators, automatically your chart will be analyzed based on those people's strategy. You get, now you don't say this chart there empty. Now make I select this smart money concept SMC by Lux Algo. My select time, you go see them. Just wait, you go see the thing go analyze everything.
Where the chart?
See charts now. This kind of way they show now, it be charts now. If you check here now, you go see them for the video. If you see them for the video, if you check here now, the chart don't they analyze? See them based on their strategy. So you don't need to analyze anything again. You just feel this their strategy. If you reach where you're supposed to buy, you know, say, okay, you're supposed to buy from here based on their strategy. Once you reach there, you buy from there. Once you reach this side, you sell from there. But me, I know they like follow indicators because normally indicator they work after market don't move. You know, they give you instant place where you're supposed to take sniper, where you're supposed to buy. But secondly, too, I think agree make you sabi wetin they do, because once you focus too much on indicator, you know they analyze yourself. Because you rely solely on the indicators for everything. After the indicator, what again are indicators template? I don't know that one. Then this one is alert. For example, now there is a point you want market to reach, you get. But one day with your laptop, because once you connect your trading view, you can connect it with your phone too and your laptop. You get, after analyzing, you say, okay, you set alert on a particular zone. Say, okay, I want when market reach this alert, make the thing ring for my phone. You grab. Once market don't play, come reach that particular zone where you be marked. For instance, now let's say I want when market pull down to this point, make alert play. Now I will come select alert. I'll come select alert now. Set the number where I want. Where if market cross, this is the number where I want. If market cross this point, make market play. Make it ring for my phone. I'll come set them. For example, now my create. See, I don't create alert here. It is show here. I don't create. Jam. The thing don't cross already because I just create them for where market, the current market price. Now why you do that, you will hear them for the screen record. And that's that for this alert. Set alert to use and know if market has crossed a particular zone or point you are expecting it to reach. Then after that one, we have this replay. I know they use them. Shall replay now? Maybe you want back test. That's what we call back testing. Maybe you want analyze your trade. Like you want to learn based on your strategy, and you don't want to use previous market. You get. If you just come now, assume say this side no day, you will delete everything here based on this the replay. That's if you have subscribed to this trading view, because this one they use free. You have subscribed, you will use replay now. Delete everything from here, then analyze and based on your analysis. Because the thing you can analyze now. Now based on okay, you assume say market day like this point, for example, you go delete all this side from what? Market day like this point. You analyze okay, well, if market tap into this line, make it start to the buy based on my analysis. Then you can't reply, you can't plan. Once the thing don't play, in play. You see, when once thing can't tap, if it start to the buy, you will say, oh, my analysis was correct. You get so that replay now go help you. You just delete everything, come out. Just analyze based on what you want make it happen for market at that moment. Nothing they use replay for. Now, if you come here, you go see two arrow. One go like this, one go like this. One now, for example, now if you don't shift, maybe for example, you shift your chart, go like this. But you want make the thing come back to where you been they do, what they do before. You just tap them here. You go carry come back where you been there before. For example, now maybe I want delete this thing. If I delete this thing now, I want bring them back without having to draw now. I'll just tap this arrow. You don't bring them back. And I think where they be that. Now if I want car and go front again, I want delete this thing based on say I don't really bring them back. Now I want car and go front. I will tap this arrow again. It don't disappear. You don't see them. You will see everything for the video. Now that's all for this side. This side. This one I don't use this one. This one quick search. I don't use it. This one is settings. You know what they use settings for. This one here na full screen. If you want enter full screen mode, you just tap up. You go enter full screen for your laptop. If you want to go back, you press your this ESC on your laptop to go back. Then this one is to take screenshots of your chart. For example, now I want screenshot waiting that they do now. I want screenshot. I'll just take a snapshot. It's a snapshot here. Tap on that camera logo. You go snap. You go screenshot waiting you they do. You get that camera logo now go screenshot waiting you they do. That's that for that one. That's all for this side. Now we come to this side. Starting from here. All they use this one for. This one, I know they use this one. I'm going to explain what they use. If you come this side, you see different lines. We have trend line, we have ray, info, all this one. The only one I use, if you check, you see the one where I put as favorite. See star here. Here we have horizontal ray. Here we have trend line. Trend line is the one we're using. Whenever we're analyzing one draw trend line, you come here, pick the line. See the line here. You pick them. You tap on the line. And this one we use. This is what we call trend line. You tap on them, use them, draw waiting here, draw. See them. That's the trend line. That's the work. That's what we use it for. I will show you when we are analyzing, but that is how to get the trend line. Then the next one here, horizontal ray, which is this one. If you pick up now, just like to draw line when you get ending. You just they go from the point where you start. Anyhow you screw, until the line will go. You know get ending from the point where you start. You get. Let me delete it. Back to this one. And if you come to this one, we have fib retracement. This is fib retracement. You get this first line here. That's what we use fib retracement for. Fib retracement will help you know where market possibly reverse from. You get it will help you know where market will possibly reverse from. Now I go set an instance for you. Now I use this point now. Fib retracement will let you know, so, okay, market fib reverse from here. Like here. You use it you carry your fib retracement, which is here. If you come here like this, no, not here, sorry, this one. If you come here like this, the first line here, the first one, you see the right fib retracement. If you carry them now, you place, if it is in an uptrending market where they go up, you place from your swing high, from your swing low, because they go up to your swing high. You get the thing will let you know. Say you see, I had a 0.60% here. This yellow zone and this one. You get. I will go let you know. Say if the thing can't tap any of this line, there is a possible reversal from there. Say market will reverse from there, which is not. It's not that it's always 100% accurate, but there's always a possible reversal from that point. If you see here when market come here, as you tap into this, the last one here in reverse, start to go up. That's the work of this fib retracement. If you watch the video, you ask questions where you don't understand. The next one we have here, I don't use anything from here, so I will not explain anything. After that one, the next one we have is here. This one, the only thing I use is this long and short. Long and short. I say long is when you're going, you want to buy. Short is when you're selling. For example, now I wanted to buy this particular trade. I select on my long, place it here. Now, I say I want TP for here. Now, where you drag your long reach, now where you expect TP make it reach. This red line, the red one here, is your SL, your stop loss, what I taught you yesterday. Now it be this red line, it's okay. When market no cross this my red line, once you cross here like this, I don't dey at loss. Then my TP now I'm here. Once market reach here, I don't hit full TP. That's what they use this long for. Then we have short too. So everything is either you go forward or the opposite side. That's the long. And short is for sell. See short here. Maybe you want sell. You don't see the red line today up. The other one, the red side they up, this side they down. So you go drag them to anywhere you want, and I will show you how to use them when we start to analyze. After that one, what again? That's all for long and short. Then the next one here we have a brush. This one they just draw something, write anything you want, right? Then we have this rectangle. Rectangle now this one here, this thing what I select here. If we check them here, all of them they here because we don't carry them, can't keep as my favorite. You get see rectangle. These and draw zones. You draw zones. These and draw. Maybe you want to just draw something. Say, okay, this is the point I want. Make market bounce. Any I want. You can use this rectangle. Anything you want to use. So now you go choose how you want make your chart today. If you know what make your chart too dirty, you know what use plenty lines to make your chart no dirty. Now that's that for rectangle. And this one is text. When for example you want label something, say I want to buy at this point, you just carry text and place and like here. Then you can change the color. You see this where the right text, this T here, this T, you go see my cursor for the screen record. You can change the color to because I like using black. All of my things. This one is to change the size of the write up. This one day, it day 10 now. Why it day tiny? Let me put it at 18 first. Now type I'm buying. I'm buying at this zone. You don't say I'm say okay. Based on my analysis, based on everything I don't do with the everything why I sabi, you will see everything for the screen record. Say I'm buying at this zone. I just write and keep so that I'm going to say okay, once market get to this point, I'm buying. I just waiting I do. Yeah, that's what they use this text for. This one is not my emoji. Waiting one is for nothing. All this side, I know they use all these ones. Now waiting I they use, now then I explain so. You get, and then I explain so. Which is you go watch the video, ask questions when you're supposed to. You get? Okay. Ask question when you're supposed to. Now that's that for this side. And the only thing I can explain here is this thing we call watch list. This watch list, if you come here, if you check here, you see I wrote my name here. You can see it here. I know you know show complete, but I wrote my name here. This one is watch list. That's you're keeping. If you see all these pairs, you say okay, you go add the pair. If you come here, this place they say add. You go add pair, any pair where you want add. For example, I want add a Euro GBP. You just come here, see Euro GBP here, Euro GBP. You come here, this plus sign, you tap on add. The thing will enter your watch list. Your watch list now, kind of okay. You see these are the pairs I want to monitor. So you tap all of them, come here instead of having to be searching for the pair every time. my pairs in my watch list. Let's go to gold. You see gold here. These are all the pairs in my watch list. I watch it. Go to the next one. These are all the pairs in my watch list. You get. So you will know how to use all these things. You know. So that's all for this trading view. I only explain what I use and what I know it's important, because every other thing will come buggy for your head. You grab. So instead of explaining everything, I select the important ones and explain so you get used to them. So that's all. That's how we use trading.